So guys, first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website of the Gigabyte devices to download the driver. Okay, then you can see this is search button. Just click on and enter the model number of your motherboard H510M H2 and then hit enter. Then click on product name, enter of the name of the title. Then click on support. Then select your operating system Windows 10 11. So both installations process same. Then guys, audio driver, you can see this is audio, and just click to download. So guys, first download one by one, then I show you how to install it. Chipset, a Realtek chipset driver, Intel NF installer, Intel serial, so both required for the computer. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and just click to download. And the VGA, so Intel VGA driver, and click to download. Just required driver you can download now. After that you can see this is start downloading in the download box. You just open this locations where it is downloading. You just click on this icon folder type, and after that you can see this is downloading. One is downloading all the complete. So first complete and I'll show you how to install. So this is your driver. Okay, so one by one just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all. Okay, and same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one extract all. Then last Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then OK, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed, and then OK. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.